Hi everyone, my name is Frank Garcia and I'm here at Scrapbook.com. In our last lesson, we went ahead and added the beautiful sparks paint, so you will see the beautiful sparks, all the magic that happened with all those paints, the beautiful sparkly goodness. Now we're going to go ahead and tone down a little bit of that sparks with a little bit of Artisan Powder. Now, if you've never used Artisan Powder comes in a little jar like this. It comes with a little nice sifter, so it's nice and controlled. Now, Artisan Powder is a very highly pigmented powder, so that means that it's going to colorize anything that touches it. So you can do water, you could create custom paste, you can create custom gels and gessos, or you can use it dry like we're going to use it today. So I'm going to take a little brush and I'm going to go ahead and first start adding it to the edge of my paper. Now when I add it to my paper, it's just going to add that really nice touch of coral. Now the color that I'm using is Paris Rosé. So I'm just going to add it here. And now you can actually use your finger to really work that color in and just kind of sweep it through. And what you'll see will happen is it's going to add like this kind of like almost like a little edge, like a little vintage vignette onto your project. And I like that. I like that we can do that here because it'll kind of create a really nice frame around our paper. I'll take my finger here and add it like this. You can see how that kind of adds that really pretty corally color. Now, Artisan Powder can be used to antique any surface. We're antiquing our paper right now. But you can definitely use it for wood, you can use it on resin, you can use it on anything else. Okay, you can see how nice that looks already. It kind of looks really antique and worn. I'm going to add a little bit on this side and just kind of add it with my finger here. Just brush off a little bit of that excess. And it's completely matte, so it doesn't have a shimmer. A lot of people confuse it with mica, and it's not the same thing. Mica has a shimmer to it. It has glitter in it. This does not have glitter. Now, when we get to our shells and everything, we're going to go ahead and just very lightly tap in there. And you'll see that that'll just create like this really nice mattified effect on the shell. So it kind of looks almost like antique. I'm just going to brush off any excess powder. I'm going to go back in here, just add a little bit there, add a little bit on the little bubble here. And sometimes when you add too much paint to something and you feel like it's too much, you can always add Artisan Powder and kind of give it a little bit of a vintage touch. For example, right here, if you wanted to add it onto where the paint is, just kind of add a little bit there and kind of brush it with your finger. And the more you work in this product, the better it looks. So I'm going to just add a little bit there. Gonna take a little bit more, add it to the shells up here. And like I said, it just antiques anything it touches. So if you wanted to add it to the art stones here, you could do that too. And once you're done with the Artisan Powder, what you want to do is you just want to kind of blow a little bit of air with your heat tool, just to kind of blow off any of the excess Artisan Powder. I'm going to finish adding a little bit on this side, and I'll show you what that looks like next. All right, so we went ahead and let our Artisan Powder set. You can see a little bit of the coral kind of peeking through the edges here and a little bit on the shells. Now I'm going to use a little bit of stupendous glitter. Now this glitter is really fun. It's a really nice kind of multi-crystal glitter. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of this gloss gel. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it only on certain areas, so I'm not going to really put it everywhere. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just kind of add a little bit in different spots. Okay, right here, maybe a little bit down here on the shells. And I'm going to try to avoid the spots where I put my Artisan Powder because I don't want it to obviously come off. So now once I have those spots ready, I'm going to take my glitter and I'm just going to add a little bit to the shells. And that'll just add a really nice touch of sparkle to the shells, so you can see how pretty that looks. I'm going to go ahead and add a little more to this side. And I'm just kind of adding it everywhere because I kind of forgot where I put the gel because it's clear. But that's okay. We can always shake this off and save our glitter. gonna shake that on there. Shake, shake, shake. Now, if you wanted to, you can add a little bit on the stones too. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just add a little bit on there. All right. So I'm gonna just take off all the excess glitter, kind of shake it off and save it, because of course we don't want to waste the glitter. And I'm gonna come back and show you the next step. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.